Guys, and welcome back. My name is Patricia and welcome back to Shakarami Fashion. A bad hair can make a bad day. Yes. So that's why I made this awesome beret for myself. Yes, I used some scraps of fabric to make this beret. And this is my awesome waterfall bomber jacket. Yo, I love it. These days it's been raining and I had to make something to keep myself warm. So I'm going to fit it in. As you can see, my hair just I don't even like the way it's looking. I had to make this beret for myself so use and cover my bad hair to make a good day. Yeah, so I'll be fitting in my beret. I'll be fitting in my beret like this. Yeah, as you can see, some places are black. Like this part is black, plain black. This other part is plain black. That's because my fabric was remaining very little after making the bomber jacket. So I had to just try and bring us another idea to make up my beret. Yeah, so I fit it in, and I guess it's looking very nice. I just love it. Love it. So it comes in different sizes. I use my own head shape or my head size to make this beret. Okay, I hope you love my beret. Yeah, and my waterfall bomber jacket. So I'll be making a pattern for this bomber jacket and my beret. So if you want to know how I was able to make this pattern and sew it, you have to subscribe to my channel so that you will get updated whenever I post the video on this pattern making. So without further ado, let me get and make the pattern. So bye, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So bye guys.